Hey everyone, welcome to the Trading for Beginners, and in this video you will learn how to use investing.com for trading. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, dive into your default web browser and in the above search bar you can just type in investing.com, which will lead you to the official website of investing.com, and here you can find the various of options available here. Make sure you are logged into your account and click on the market, start trading on anything you want. For now, let's click on some of the Nvidia, and which will lead us to the another web page, and you can see the analytics and everything you need to know is on this page. To start trading, there is the option available, trade Nvidia Corporation. Click on the trade Nvidia Corporation, and this will lead you to the broker page. You can trade with any of the brokers as per your service, as per their as per as per their service and the ratings. That's it for today, guys, and this is how you trade in investing.com. Hopefully this video helped you to use investing.com for trading. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, have a great time.